Meet the brave pioneer of my garden, Carnea, also known as winter heath. Even when the ground is still dusted with snow, these resilient blossoms emerge to announce the coming of spring. Carnea is basically the survivalist of the garden world. It doesn't just endure the cold, it thrives in it. You've got a real winter warrior on your hands. It can handle temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius. While other plants are hibernating, Erica is busy putting on a show, often blooming right through a blanket of snow. Here's why Erica is a hero in the winter landscape. Commonly known as the winter heath or Alpine heath, this low-growing evergreen is the ultimate antidote to the February blues. While other plants are still tucked firmly under their blankets of soil, this resilient little shrub is busy blanketing the ground in a riot of pinks and purples. It possesses a certain understated elegance, hugging the earth in dense, needle-like foliage that remains crisp and green throughout the year. But it is the sheer bravery of its early flowering season that makes it an indispensable resident of any thoughtful garden. One of the most charming aspects of the winter heath is its democratic nature. Unlike many of its fussier heather cousins, which demand strictly acidic soil, Carnea is remarkably tolerant of a little lime. This makes it a doting companion for those of us gardening on alkaline or neutral ground who might have previously despaired of growing heathers. It is a plant that asks for very little but gives a great deal in return. To see it at its best, one should aim to plant it in a spot that enjoys the full embrace of the sun, though it will politely tolerate a bit of light shade. When it comes to the how-to of its care, simplicity is the guiding principle. It thrives in well-drained soil, so if your garden tends toward the soggy side, a handful of grit mixed into the planting hole will keep its spirits high. When tucking your new arrival into the earth, try to plant them in groups. While a single specimen is lovely, heaths are social creatures. Planted en masse, they create a seamless, weed-smothering carpet that looks quite magnificent cascading over the edge of a rockery or lining a garden path. Beyond its visual appeal, there is a quiet altruism to the Carnea. On those rare, unseasonably warm winter days, when a lonely bumblebee ventures out from its slumber, this plant provides a vital early-season nectar bar. It is a garden stalwart that manages to be both ruggedly practical and exquisitely beautiful, proving that one doesn't need to be a towering oak to command attention. Whether it is dusted with a light hoarfrost or glowing in the low winter sun, it remains a steadfast reminder that the garden is never truly asleep.